Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to add a page break on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
To add the page break on Google Docs PC, so just want to first, I just going to enter this space and I just bring down. This is the one step to make a page break, or else you just go to the insert option here. Here you can see a break option here. So here you can select a page break, or you can control the command option, or you have three things. The first is the page break, or you can use the command. So the page will be automatically break and the sentence will be automatically go to the next page. This is the first type. You can create a page break by creating the space, or else you can make a page break by using this option. For an example, I just typing something letters, but it automatically brings me to the next page because we added the page break. You can use Control Z or just backspace to make it again. There is three things: a page break, a section break, and the break continues. So these options you can undo this option by Control Z, or you just make a backspace from the next page. Just click the backspace or delete the space. It automatically the page break will be removed. So these are the options. These are the options to make to create the page break, or to change or to undo the page break. Just click on the insert option, go to the break option. Here the three options are here. You can select any one of this and make the page break, or you can also make a blank page using this particular option. So this will surely helpful for making your documents.
Friends, if you find this video informative, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And we will meet on next super valuable Google Docs content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.